Hey friends, today we dive into Prompt Perfect, crafting top-notch AI prompts made easy. When it comes to AI, nailing those prompts is the secret sauce to get spot-on, mind-blowing responses. Let's dive into the art of crafting high-quality AI prompts effortlessly. 1. Rule number 1. Keep it crystal clear, short, and specific. Your AI prompt should scream the desired outcome. 2. Effective AI prompts? You've got to be one with the AI model you're working with. Dive deep into its soul, understand the context, and grasp the intent behind the prompt. 3. Here's where the magic happens. Tools and platforms like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and PromptBase are your best buddies for cooking up top-tier AI prompts. 4. Want to be a prompt wizard? Use formulas, templates, and keywords, or steal a little inspiration from existing prompts. Creativity knows no bounds. 5. Remember, crafting killer AI prompts isn't just for tech geeks, it's a must-have skill for prompt engineers, content creators, and businesses aiming to ride the AI wave. Don't miss out on more AI wisdom like this. Hit that subscribe button for your regular dose of AI updates and tips.